All right, friends, we're going to go ahead and get started with our circle time. Let's stand up. Start off with the Pledge of Allegiance. Right hand is on our heart. Eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes up. I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we'll reach our dreams. All right. It is a new month since we saw you last. It is May, and today is the 3rd day of May. Tomorrow is a very special Star Wars day. If you're a Star Wars fan, it is May the 4th, and that kind of sounds like May the Force. So tomorrow is what we call Star Wars Day, and it's May the 4th be with you. All right. Now we have a pattern started. We have a sun and we have a kite. We're going to do 2, 3 suns. And then we'll have 3 kites. So we already have one right here, one right here, and one right here. So what does that mean tomorrow we're going to have?
Star Wars.
It's going to be a kite on our Star Wars Day. But let's sing our Days of the Week song so we get those right. Here we go. Days of the week, days of the week,
Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week.
There we go.
There's Sunday and there's Monday.
There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap.
Days of the week,
Snap, snap.
days of the week, days of the week, days of the week.
Clap, clap. Your turn. Louder. May 3rd, 2021. What kind of weather do we have outside today? It is cloudy with a little bit of sprinkles, yes. So it's not raining, but it's sprinkling. But we might still go outside for recess as long as it's not raining when we try to go out. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow for our May the 4th?
I know.
What? No, it's too warm for snow. What do you think? Sunny weather sounds good. Let's go ahead and say our alphabet together. Are we ready? Here we go. Let's say it together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Is that a 1 for our friend up here? Yes, it is. Okay, so we are on 1. Let's not get to 3. Here we go. We're counting to 20. Wiggle those fingers. Clap them 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Touch your head. Touch your ears. Hands in lap. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Counting backwards from 10. Let me hear ya. 10,
9,
8, see here. What color is the heart?
Pink.
Pink. All right. What color is the square?
Gray.
Not the square. What color is that? Brown. What shape is red?
Triangle.
Not triangle.
Diamond.
Diamond. What color is my fish?
Orange.
What color is my triangle?
White.
What color are the elephants?
Red.
Awesome. All right, looking for some numbers. Everybody, what number is this?
5.
5. What number is? There it goes. What number is this?
12.
Everybody, what number is it?
12.
What number is this one right here?
11.
What number is this one down here?
4.
What number is this one right here?
8.
8. What about this one?
20.
20. Awesome. All right, our nursery rhyme this week is London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. All right, who can tell me what this is? Not a quarter. It has that brown, that penny. That's right, it has that copper color. All right, how about this one right here? Nickel. How much is that worth?
5
5
cents.
cents. How many pennies do I need? 5
5
pennies. All right, what is this one?
Dime.
I need 2 nickels or 10 pennies to equal the dime. What is this one? This is that big one. You said at the beginning, it is a quarter. What is it? Quarter. For a quarter, I can either have 5 nickels, I can have 1 nickel and 2 dimes, or I can have 25 pennies. All right, we've already worked on all these letters, and this week we're working on the letter A. A says ah, ah, ah. Does anybody know who this is right here? Ant-Man. Uh-huh. This is the from Sleeping Beauty. It's a princess. Her name is Aurora. They both start with the letter A. Let's go ahead and sing our song as we get ready to make the letter A.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. There you go. This is the top. Now it's the bottom. This is the top. Now it's the middle. This is the top. Here's the top. Where do you start your letters?
At the top. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top?
Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Go down.
Reach down.
Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle.
Where do you
These
start
are
your
the letters
letters
at the top.
A today. So the letter A is a center starter. So I'm going to go ahead and remove my Mr. Matt's smiling face. There he goes, his eye. I'm going to put a star in the middle because my two big slides are starting in the center of my mat. So right now your mat should be in front of you. Your pieces are at the top. And none of them should be on your mat. So it's my turn first. And I'm going to grab my big line, but I don't need a big line. I need a big slide. Put my big slide there. Now I need another big slide. I need to turn it the other way. It almost looks like I'm making what shape? What shape does that kind of look like?
Triangle.
A triangle. If I took a piece right here, it kind of looks like a triangle. A sad little triangle. But I'm not going to put it there. I'm going to put that piece in the middle. See if I can make it a little smaller. Whoop. There we go. And let's see, I'll send this one behind. So order. That's that. Oh, it went all the way to the back. Can't do that. So let's bring this. I'll send this one to the front. Order. There we go. So now I've made the letter A. I have two big slides and a little line in the middle. So the way I say it is your hands are in your lap. Your listening ears are on. Your inside voices are off. Eyes are on the board. And I say, starting at the top, big slide down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Little line across the middle. One more time. My turn. Big slide down. Frog jump up. Big slide down, little line across the middle. All right, let's make it together. Grab your big line and turn it into a slide.
We're not going to make a line. We're going to make it a big slide.
Now we're going to grab our other big line and make it into a slide.
Don't cover Mr. Matt's smiley face. Am I right, Mr. Gryffindor?
All right, now you're going to grab your little line and put it in the middle. It's going to rest on top of both. Nope. It's going to rest on top of both your slides. Pick it up, man. Pick it up. Yep. Big slide, and then your little line goes across the top of both of them. Yes. Yep, right where it belongs. All right. Let's put our fingers at the
Top.
and we say, big line down. Oh, look, put big slide down one more time. Big slide. One more time. Big slide down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Little line across the middle. One more time. Fingers at the top. Remember, we're making slides, not lines. Here we go. Big slide down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Little line across the middle. What letter did we make? A. What does A say? Excellent job. All right, friends. Go ahead and put all your pieces back into your mat, into your pouch, and thanks for joining us for Circle. We'll see you tomorrow, May the 4th. Be with you.